Hello folks, welcome back. WolframAlpha is a powerful online calculator and knowledge engine that provides answers to a wide range of mathematical, scientific, and general knowledge questions. Here are some key features and details about WolframAlpha. What can WolframAlpha do? Mathematics. WolframAlpha can solve various mathematical problems, including algebra, calculus, geometry, statistics, and more. Science and technology. It provides information on scientific topics such as physics, chemistry, biology, and engineering. Data analysis. WolframAlpha can analyze and visualize data, including statistical analysis, data visualization, and machine learning. Unit conversions. It can convert between different units of measurement. Wordplay and language. WolframAlpha can provide word definitions, synonyms, antonyms, and more. History and culture. It offers information on historical events, people, and cultural topics. Health and nutrition. WolframAlpha provides information on health and nutrition, including nutritional facts and health statistics. Key features. Natural language input. WolframAlpha allows users to input questions in natural language. Step-by-step solutions. For mathematical problems, WolframAlpha provides step-by-step solutions. Interactive visualizations. It offers interactive visualizations such as plots, charts, and graphs. Data import or export. WolframAlpha allows users to import and export data in various formats. API access. Developers can access WolframAlpha's API for integration into their own applications. Plans and pricing. WolframAlpha offers a free version with limited features. The Pro version offers additional features, including step-by-step solutions, data import or export, and more. WolframAlpha for Business provides enterprise-level features, including API access and custom solutions. History and development. WolframAlpha was developed by Wolfram Research, a company founded by Stephen Wolfram. The platform was launched in 2009 and has since become a popular tool for students, researchers, and professionals. Platforms. WolframAlpha is available on various platforms. Accessible via the WolframAlpha website, available for iOS and Android devices, accessible via API for developers. Overall, WolframAlpha is a powerful tool that provides a wide range of features and functionalities, making it a valuable resource for various users. Test this tool and please let us know your comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time with another tool.